What's up, guys? We got a 2023 Promaster RAM van. We end up adding the alarm with the remote start and the phone app and the whole 9 yards for this customer. Everything is interactive with the factory fob. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock. That turns off my alarm and turns off my alarm and it unlocks the doors. I'm gonna hit lock. Arms my alarm and it turns off the it arms the alarm and locks your doors. This guy does mobile tires here in Miami. Pretty good, pretty cool guy. All over Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, Palm Beach, wherever. Just give him a call. He does mobile tires. He's a really good guy. He just bought this van and we weren't sure if this van was if I was able to do this install because the module on the database didn't show 2023, only for 2022. So we end up I didn't see anything different. Everything panned out with the 2022, so that's why I went ahead and got the installation done, which I'm glad I did. If somebody walks up and they're banging the window, it's going to set off the alarm. All right, I'm going to turn off the alarm by hitting unlock. That turns off the system. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit lock on the app. Arms the alarm. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the remote start. And start it up. It's gonna give you we program it for 15 minutes, so it runs for 15 minutes. That's the countdown going backwards. This is the voltage of the battery there. It's 13.1, but eventually it will go to 14. That's the signal of the unit, and that's the temperature inside the van is 92 degrees. And then for GPS, for security reasons, I'm not going to show the location. That's just privacy. I'm not going to show where this van is at. But yeah, the what you call it, the map pops out open. To shut it off, you're going to hit unlock. I'm sorry. Engine turned off, and I turned off the van. So yeah, we went ahead and got this done for him. Everything interacts with the factory fob and with the actual and with the factory remote control. This alarm was installed here in Fort Lauderdale with the remote start on this 2023 RAM Promaster. We thank you for watching this video.